Direct replacement. This door hinge pin bushing kit is designed to match the original pin and bushing required to restore the alignment and proper function of a door on specified vehicles. Ideal solution. This pin and bushing are reliable replacements for original components that have failed due to wear. Durable construction. This kit is made from quality components to ensure reliable performance and a long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This door hinge pin bushing kit is designed to match the original parts required to restore door alignment and function on specified vehicles. Made of quality components, this kit is engineered for reliable performance and durability. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. This might be the best product ever. Great fit, and these seem to fit as well as the OEM ones. I am so glad I bought these first, and I will buying another pair of them soon.